Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make baked veg pancake. As breakfast is the most important meal of the day, here is the recipe to make your breakfast heavy and balanced. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. First, let's prep the veggies. Now let's mix the batter. For that, into a bowl, I'm adding 2 eggs. A teaspoon of salt I'm adding for the whole recipe. Whisk it for about a minute or so. To this I'm adding 150 ml of milk, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of water. Whisk until well blended. Let's add the chopped veggies to the egg mixture. You can also use any vegetables of your liking. I'm using 3 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. This is optional. You can skip this if you don't prefer cheese. Give all these a good mix. Here I have taken 1.5 cups of plain flour. To that I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Add the flour to the batter in 3 batches so that it will mix well without any lumps. Increase or decrease the amount of ingredients according to your requirement. Brush the baking pan with some butter. Add the batter to the pan and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Finally, some grated cheese. Now it goes to the oven. Our veg pancake is perfectly done. Let it sit for 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try this simple and easy protein-rich breakfast. It's a complete meal. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Also, share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video, and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.